So, let's get into the project. I cut a few more than I needed just in case I wanted to make another one in the future. And I've got another piece which will, I think, complement this piece quite nicely. So I'm just going to cut it down there. And I'm just attaching it onto the lathe. There. I just need to pull up the tailstock. I'm just turning the square blank down to round, and then I found I can get a really good camera angle at the back of the lathe. So this is the camera angle, and now I'm just shaping out the honey dipper. And I also got a chuck for my lathe, so I'm going to be doing a lot more wood turning projects, and maybe eventually I'll be doing a bowl and things like that. So I've done all the shaping on the handle part. Well, it's time to make the actual honey dipper part. So I showed it to my mum, she really liked it. Now I'm going to cut in like there and, well, sand it all up. I have some olive oil on my hands, it varnished it a tiny bit. I'm going to sand that all off and then varnish it. Looking really nice. There's this really thin sort of thing which is hanging out on the side. It was what was sort of holding it all in, and it's so thin that I can just do this. Crack it off. So I just keep cracking all the sides off, and then I give it a tiny bit of sand around here. Okay guys, so the honey dipper is done. It's time to try it out on some honey, and the piece of bread is in the microwave defrosting. That's good. The honey is a bit sort of hard because it was so cold, so that's why it's not working too well. But if I was going to make this again, I think I will put a few more ones on it. Well, bye. I want to add this to my mum's kitchen utensils.